Hey folks, I remembered I hadn't made a video lately. Since last Friday, I guess. Maybe it's 2 Fridays ago. I don't know. But here I am this morning. It's Wednesday. See how the trailer looked? Well, one of the seals, the 2x6 seals, is rotten, along with some of the floor in the bathroom, which I've showed y'all on a few of them videos. But I'm taking care of it this morning. This is the strapping for keeping it square, I guess. As you can see, I just run into some more bad. But as you can see right there, it ain't supposed to look like that. Not a 2x6 anyway. But we're going out. I got all the bathroom floor out, along into some of the living room and some of the bedroom. We're just knocking it out. I already got the wood to replace these joists, floor joists. I got the wood this morning to replace the seal. I'm just having to get to it. That's the hardest part right now, just getting to it. Whoever said this was gonna be easy, woo, it wasn't me. Not today anyway. Anyway, so far on this rebuild, got 80 bucks into it. So I guess that's not too bad. And that was just actually buying the plywood this morning. 3/4 inch plywood, do the floors, and 2x6s, 10 foot long. But there's gonna be a few more trips. Not sure if this is gonna be uploaded at the right time. This may wait, along with some more of the other ones. But we're getting there. We're getting there. We gotta fix it right. We gotta fix it right. That's what we gotta do. We'll talk to y'all later.